Welcome to Bobcat manufacturing facility in Pontchâteau, France. Pontchâteau is home of the Bobcat telehandlers that we export to Europe and the rest of the world. Our products are used in a wide variety of applications with major focus on construction, farming, waste and recycling, among other industries and services. The history of the plant dates back almost 60 years to 1963 when dump trucks and all-road trucks manufacturing started under the Sambron brand. Telescopic production started in 1980 with the new production line. The modern era of this facility starts in year 2000 when Bobcat comes to stage and Doosan Group takes over in 2007 with big expansion and investment plan. Our production has doubled in the last 5 years. Our current capacity reaches up to 3,000 machines per year. It would not have been possible without a well-balanced team of 300 colleagues, some of whom have more than 30 years of experience. All of our energy is focused on delivering high-quality product. To demonstrate our confidence in the product made here in Pontchâteau, each telehandler leaving the factory is delivered with a 3-year warranty.